We do what we call enumeration. We don't just input their information and forget about them. We do enumeration from time to time, and it has been a continuous exercise. Once we discover there's a change of address, change of maybe their accountant, who is our contact person, and another person is there, we get the information about that person. And all this information, we put it in our system, helping us to update the profile of that taxpayer, whether individual or company, from time to time. And those ones that are new taxpayers, we encourage them to come into the TaxNet by the use of self-assessment form. The self-assessment, because they are not salary earners, they are businessmen, and they are the one that owns their own money. They are in charge of their money by themselves. We encourage them to get a self-assessment, which at the back of the form, we have the categories of income there. And just beside it, we have the tax that you have to pay for that category which you fall into. And at the bank, after payment has been made, it is expected that you fill that form and you submit. But before you fill the form, a receipt to be generated for the taxpayer at the bank. You make photocopy of that receipt and you submit the form, which will be sent to us to make the ETCC card for the taxpayer. And as much as possible from our end, we make sure that all the information that we are getting, they are facts, they are correct information, and when we put it in the system, we make sure that at the end of the day, it is useful not just for us, not just for Lagos State government, even for the taxpayers themselves. What do I mean by this? The taxpayer that has been remitting and is remitting up to date, and when he needs a service from Lagos State government, it is when he can find all his information in the system that the service that he needs from Lagos State can be rendered to him. But when this information are not there, we are putting a setback on the part of the taxpayer and also on the part of Lagos State government. We make sure that all this information are accurate, helping the Lagos State government to plan better, because what they have as information for this year will help them to plan better for next year, even in the course of their budgeting. Thank you so much.